Hello students, today we will learn factor theorem. What does it mean actually? Any polynomial is divided by any other expression. So whether it will be divisible or not. If it is divisible, then it will be the factor of the very polynomial. If it is not, then it will show you some this theorem actually is showing you that result, whether this will be a factor of this polynomial or not. See, actually the factor theorem. Let fx is a polynomial of degree n, which is actually greater than 1, and a be any real number. Now, the theorem condition number 1. If f equal to 0, then x minus a will be the factor of fx. Second condition, if x minus a is a factor of fx, then fa will be 0. Now, this needs to be proved over here. What is actually that? And I am just going to give some example, then it will be clearer to you. See, let fx equal to 0. It is actually given. If this is given, it is 0. So, of divisibility of dividing fx by x minus a, let gx is the quotient. Then we can also write it down, fx equal to x minus a into gx, that is a divisor into quotient plus plus remainder. Here fa, you know, you just try to recall that one. That is the remainder theorem. When any number is divided by any other number, then the remainder it will be fa. So here, so from this remainder theorem, if it is given this part is 0, this part is 0, try to understand, this is actually, we are just omitting this one, then fx will be x minus a into gx, that is remainder part is 0. So this is actually this x minus a is actually the factor of fx. So here fx, it will be coming x minus a into gx, because this part is 0. Through remainder theorem, we can prove that one. This is actually f a equal to the remainder. Then in this theorem, what is given? If f a is 0, then this will be the factor of this. And this part is 0. This part can be divided split into two parts. That is x minus a into gx. Therefore, x minus a is the factor of fx. Now the second part. Suppose let x minus a be the factor of fx. Then, so on dividing by fx, dividing fx by x minus a, let gx is the quotient. So we can write it down, fx equal to x minus a into gx, because this is told that this is a factor. So this is actually remainder is 0. Try to understand this one. See, this is a factor, that is no remainder. So fx equal to x minus a into gx plus 0 means there is no any remainder over here. So you can just tell, that is just putting over here a instead of x. So here substitute a equal to x, then we can get a minus a into gx, that is this is cutted off 0, that is 0 equal f gx, and this will be 0. So you can tell that is when this is actually the factor of fx, then definitely fa will be 0, that is actually the remainder will be 0. Come to that is some problem using that theorem, then you could understand better way. Suppose if the problem is given, show that x minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. See here, by the factor theorem, what we have learned over here with the theorem, if this is the factor of this fx, then f3, that is, if you are just putting x minus 3 equal to 0, that is x equal to 3, then f3 must be 0, because f3 we have already learned, that is the factor theorem. If it is divided by this, the remainder it will be x equal a, that was actually gx equal to 0, that is gx equal to 0. That what is actually this is the that is a divisor. Divisor must be 0 and just getting x equal to 3. And with the help of that remainder theorem, you could understand that is, if you are just putting this equal to 0, x will be 3. Therefore, f3 must be 0, because if this is a factor, it is just asked for. And if we are just now, our polynomial is this. So, if we are just putting x equal to 3 over here, then this value you will get, see, this is actually coming 0. So what is actually that? This is proof that this is actually the factor of this, because if this f3 equal to 0, then it will be the factor, and it has come 0, that is no remainder. No remainder means this x minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Next, this type of problem you can also just see in the other way. Suppose, find the value of a for which x minus 4 is the factor of this polynomial. Here is actually 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus a. You have to find out the value of a. As because it is given, this is the factor. So with using this factor theorem, x minus 4 equal to 0, that is x equal to 4. By using the factor theorem, x minus 4 will be the factor of fx if f4 equal to 0. That is actually the remainder. Remainder must be 0. So fx is given over here. We are putting over and find out f4. So it is given 2 into 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 18 into 4 plus 8. It must be 0, because this remainder will be 0. So then just find out the value of this one. This is 64 into 2, 128. This is 16 into 3, 48. This is 72 plus a equal to 0. This is 48 plus 72, 120. Then this is actually a plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to minus 8. In this way, you can find out the value within the polynomial if it is given, that is, this is the factor of this. Now, if you could not understand, you are feel free to contact with me. All the questions within this exercise, if you have any kind of problem, feel free to contact with my WhatsApp number 98300 81667. Thank you very much.